Today we're going to be making a Thai green curry chicken, but I'm going to be using zucchini noodles for a healthy low carb option. So in a skillet over medium heat, add a little bit of canned coconut milk and we're just going to fry the green curry paste. This is the Messy brand and I'm using about 2 full tablespoons. This is kind of a mild to medium spice. This is some cube chicken breasts. You can either do chicken thighs. This is 1 pound of chicken. Go ahead and cook it until it's almost done. I do want to note if you're using the Thai Kitchen brand, you're going to need a lot more curry paste because that's more mild. I'm also adding a small can of bamboo shoots. If you like Thai green eggplant, you can add that in as well. And then add the remaining amount of coconut milk. This is just for 4 servings, so if you're making more, then you're gonna need more chicken and coconut milk as well. So I have some Thai lime leaves from my backyard. I'm just kind of bunching them up, releasing the aroma, and I'm gonna let that simmer for about 5 minutes. Once that's done simmering, I'm gonna taste it, and it did need a little bit of sugar, so I'm adding some ground coconut sugar and a little bit of fish sauce, just enough to just kind of bring out all of those umami flavors. And then go ahead and taste it again, and then now I'm going to add some Thai basil leaves. This is optional, but I love the extra punch of flavor that it adds to the curry. So the curry is pretty much done, and now we can go ahead and leave it on the stove just so it can stay warm, and I'm going to show you how I make the zucchini noodles. So this is the spiralizer that I use. It has an attachment to make the noodles. This is also the same one I use to shred my papaya. It just uses a different attachment. All you need to do is just cut off the ends. Don't cut off the top because you want that so you can hold on to it. But you just simply twist the zucchini and you get these nice, beautiful strands of zucchini noodles. So it's a nice low carb option if you kind of want something with noodles. You can also do half and half zucchini, half noodles. Just go ahead, do it all the way down to the bottom. And then once you get down to the end, you can just chop up the rest of the zucchini and put it back into the curry because we don't want to waste anything. So 1 zucchini is enough for about 2 servings. So I'm going to store this and then zoodle the remaining of the zucchini so that way I have enough for 4 servings. You can either saute the noodles or you can just put them in raw. The curry I had on the stove, so it's still pretty hot. So I'm actually just going to ladle the warm green curry over the zucchini noodles and it's going to soften them a little bit. And then this is ready to go. This is also great for meal prep and it's just such a nice, comforting yet healthy dish. Like I said, if you want to cut up the noodles so they're not so long, you can definitely do that, but they kind of break apart once you start eating them and it's just delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys next time.